Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by installing and signing in. Make sure you have an active NordVPN account. Click the Chrome Web Store Install button, then pin the extension so it's always visible. Once done, sign in with your credentials and grant the requested permissions. This allows the extension to manage proxy settings and protect browser traffic. Make sure to confirm any site access prompts. If you skip these steps, the extension can't route your browser traffic through NordVPN. Next, you choose where to connect and configure protection. Use Quick Connect for fastest results, or pick a specific country or city if you need regional access. Then open Settings. Enable Smart Play for streaming, turn on WebRTC leak protection to stop IP leaks, and set HTTPS only where offered. Make favorites for repeat servers and adjust protocol or port preferences if you need a particular connection type. These choices affect speed and access, so tweak them based on the sites you use. Finally, verify that you're protected by checking the extension icon and visiting an IP check site. Confirm the shown country matches your selected server. Make sure Auto Connect is enabled if you want protection on Chrome startup, and keep the extension pinned for quick control. If pages won't load or streaming fails, first clear your browser cache, then disable other proxy or privacy extensions that might conflict. Finally, disconnect and reconnect. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.